It's clogged.
Now we're tightening up the oil plug back up because we got all the oil out.
This is not filter.
You shut the old filter.
It's clogged.
I can roll this now.
But
It's muck.
that makes that happen.
You want to make the job miserable, make sure you throw some on the floor.
It's down in there. It's down in the dirt down there.
Yeah, that ain't the one I'm looking for.
Oh. There's one hanging up on the wall.
That's the fan, Pappy. That's the fan motor.
Ah, that's the fan motor. I'm still missing one.
Mm-hmm.
Where it's at?
Nope.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
And when you're missing your tools because somebody didn't put them back, you have to use stuff that doesn't work as good as what you're used to. Get your filter loose. You don't have to take it down, you have to get it loose so you don't hold yourself up with some rubber gloves on. Whatever you got.
Take that filter inside and inside the car.
Now I'll drop down that filter, loosen her up, let her drain a little bit. Oil's hot.
Oil hot.
Oil's hot. Here it comes. When you take the oil filter off, make sure you check to make sure the seal came off with the filter. Otherwise, you'll have a nasty leak when you put the new one up.
I can't do it either.
And you don't want to find out you've got a nasty leak when the red light comes on down the road 10 miles. I got my little gloves on.
Take your filter off.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna make it all nasty.
All nasty, yeah. I gotta make sure the filter's off.
I
Right
can't
there it
do
is.
either.
It's good. Put that in the drain. Let it drain out. Put the new one on.
You make it hot happy.
Got the new filter. I like to put
hot
the
peanut.
little oil on the filter. Helps to lubricate it.
That's the filter, huh, the puppy? Huh, that's the filter inside?
Rub
Huh?
that around a little bit. That's the oil filter goes in the engine there, James.
Not the filter in it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get my filter.
Your own filter.
Yeah, I'm gonna get mine.
Hand tight only. That's all you need. Now it's time to bring her down.
What?
Ah, you can't walk in this mess.